Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll tell you about organization chart feature in Dynamics 365 Sales, where you can maintain meaningful relationships with multiple entities, and this will help you to stay on top of contacts and understand the company structure better. And also, with additionally, you can quickly gain of insights through labels and relationship health better. Okay, and it actually gives you stay updated in LinkedIn integrations. You can get LinkedIn updates when a contact leaves to keep your accounts up to date, right? And also, using this organization chart, you can better define the organizational structures by adding assistants. Who is the assistant? Who is the decision maker? By labeling them, okay, and understand the roles clearly by adding contacts as an assistant. And also, you can keep record of key details with seller notes, collaborate better by noting down your contact's preferences, needs, and concerns in the seller's note. So these are very important features that you can use while managing multiple users. They are related with a meaningful relationship in a account. For example, here this is a account, okay, which account name is subchip organization. Now in this account, I have already added three contacts. One is the primary contact, this one, and these two are the employees. Okay, now whenever you target an account, you can also use this organization chart to better understand their structure or relationship. Now you can click on open organization chart. If you go to open organization chart, you can just go here and see how many contacts are part of this account. This contact is already added to the chart because this is the primary contact, and you see this is the primary contact that is defined here. You can, I marked it as a decision maker. If you want to edit the chart, you can just click on edit chart and change its label. Let's say this person for this contact is a influencer. Then you can just add a influencer. And I want to add this Amit Roy as a direct reportee of this customer. Then I can just drag and drop and mark it as he is not an influencer, he is just a decision maker. Although he is an influencer, the Amit Roy is a decision maker in their organization, and this reports to this customer, right? So this way you can manage their relationship, and you do a marketing with a better understanding, right? And also I want to add Rajbir to this organization chart, and this user is not a decision maker, rather you don't know. Okay, you just click on unknown and you save the chart. This way you can relate one customer to another customer or contact inside an organization to understand their relationship better. Okay, so you can use drag and drop feature to manage this. And you see how in the same organization you can understand these three employees are interrelated. Who is reportee, who is decision maker, who is influencer, you can track it here, right? So this is the advantage of using organizational chart to define how their employees are related to each other through a meaningful relationship. Thank you everyone watching this video. See you next time.